Returning to wealthy coins. Howdy everyone. Shytoshi has just unveiled a 7-day strategy to reach $3 with Shiba Inu. New information on Shiba Inu today. A lot of people are curious about the Shiba Inu project and its native cryptocurrency because of recent events. A burn mechanism that will impact the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem is being worked on by the company's development team, according to Shiba Army leader and chief programmer Shytoshi Kusama. SHIB holders are absolutely over the moon about what's to come, as the official Twitter account for the community has teased yet another huge update. In this video, we'll go over Shytoshi's newly disclosed 7-day plan to make $3 with Shiba Inu. This day's Shiba Inu update. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Since Shiba Eternity was released in Australia, a lot has transpired. The most recent tweet from the official account has further added to the anticipation and fervor. The official release date for the Shiba Inu collectible card game has been announced by the Shiba Inu team via the Twitter Space event Shiba Eternity Community Update. Shiba Eternity is set to be released on October 1st as stated in the announcement. In honor of their release, the Shiba Inu community is planning to break into the app stores for both iOS and Android on the same day download day. This caused quite a stir regarding the coin and its ecology as a whole. Some more excellent news for the environment. Update Shibarium, which is expected to be released on or around September 30th, is still undergoing final polishing by the development team. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will supposedly be able to scale with this update, and everyone's gas bills will go down, especially gamers. At this time, one coin is worth anything between 0.000957 to 0.000123 USD. Since cryptocurrency prices tend to be lower in June, this suggests that the currency is still trading within its June price range. After a steady increase from June to August, prices began to fall due to broader market forces. Concern among investors and traders was heightened by reports of increasing year-over-year inflation and the recent 0.75 percentage point hike in interest rates. From its most recent high on September 10th, the price fell by 25.06%. From its low point on September 21st, it has recovered to a price range of $0.001038. The anticipated relief rally for the cryptocurrency will be supported by these price ranges. The resistance is at the most recent decrease of 0.001 sprite in 2. Any breakthroughs towards the 78.60 fib level can be easily exploited by bulls, making this level crucial. The SHIB token's value could be influenced by the Ethereum ecosystem because it is built on Ethereum. The present state of the market has the potential to amplify the coin's volatility, increasing the likelihood of a crash. It would not be surprising to see a SHIB rise with the larger financial markets if they recover from the drop on September 13th. Despite being one of the most widely used meme currencies, Shiba Inu's price has been flat over the past week, increasing by just 6%. But now that the ecology is experiencing a number of changes, SHIB can help turn the tide. Take for example the announcement that October 4th in 2022 will be a SHIB download day for Shiba Eternity. It appears that last year's announcement that Shiba would be releasing a card game called Shiba Eternity within the next year is accurate. Additional good events followed this news, which could increase the value of SHIB. An additional significant update was disclosed in addition to the launch date announcement. We shall burn SHIB with 5% of the game's total profit. As good news for long-term investors, this made investors even happier. Over the past 24 hours, SHIB has burned more than 16 million tokens, continuing its daily binge of token burning. Curiously, a different research indicated that 30% of Shiba Inu investors are holding the meme coin for long-term investment purposes. Consequently, investors are optimistic about the future due to the increased burn rate and the plan to use the 5% profit of Shiba Eternity. The price of the meme coin did rise in response to this news, even if SHIB has not seen any significant increases as of late. Had a market cap of 5,921,568,523 and was trading at 0.001788, somewhat up from the previous day. Curiously, the MVRV ratio for SHIB also saw an increase as compared to previous week. Social volume for the coin has also been trending upwards, increasing little over the past several days. Despite the fact that SHIB's metrics and price action do not point to a northbound movement in the near future, the good changes within the community suggest that these burns will be visible on the chart in the months to come. But according to CryptoQuant's numbers, SHIB's relative strength index was sitting pretty. While doing so, Stochastic showed that the market had reached an oversold condition. The SHIB may be able to register an optic earlier than anticipated. Since the meme coin revealed its 100,595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse named Shiba Lands, whales have taken an interest in Shiba Inu. Some virtual plots in Shiba Inu's metaverse, which stand in for streets, boulevards, and hubs, will allegedly remain open to all users. Other parcels of land, though, will be up for grabs. On its decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, the ecosystem's developers also released a collection of NFTs dubbed Shytoshis. We were able to close the deal on the NFTs in within 24 hours. There will be more NFTs issued in the future, though, according to the sales website. In addition, the Shiba Inu platform is actively striving to enhance the cryptocurrency utility of these NFTs. The NFTs will serve as playable characters in their next gaming platform. Another piece of cryptocurrency news is that Block Forest and Shiba Inu are teaming up to develop a collection of NFTs in honor of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The Shiba Inu will gain even more attention and popularity among soccer fans throughout the world as a result of this. Officials from Shiba Inu went over some of the details of Shiba Eternity at the gathering. The Crypto Basic gathered from the conversation that the game will incorporate the Shytoshis and have more than 500 cards with thousands of qualities. Shiba Eternity will have in-app purchases such as card skins, card packs, in-game currency, experience boosters, etc. According to the team, who have verified additional details regarding the Shiba Inu collecting card game. Because it is not a pay-to-win game like many others, players from all around the world can play and win regardless of their financial situation. No one would need to spend any money on upgrades if they competed using just their base deck. Furthermore, for individuals unfamiliar with Shiba Eternity, the game's tutorial has been made available by the lead Shiba Inu developer. Furthermore, the Shiba Eternity entrance trailer contest has been launched by the Shiba Inu leadership team. Winner will receive $5,000 in Shiba Inu tokens if their introduction trailer for Shiba Eternity game is deemed to be the most impressive, according to the statement. The developers have stated that this trailer will serve as the game's official promotional tool. According to a previous post by the Crypto Basic, Shytoshi Kusama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has said that 5% of all proceeds from the Shiba Inu collectible card game will be used to burn up the existing enormous quantity of Shiba Inus. The move is a result of pressure from the Shiba Inu community, which ultimately led to the lead developer burning all of the digital assets featuring the dog breed. This action had a major impact on the price of the digital asset. The full supply is already on the market, and the team lacks the billions of dollars needed to invest in acquiring it all. As Shytoshi Kusama explained, therefore they cannot burn through the entire quantity. So the Shiba Inu crew is hell-bent on adding a burn mechanism to the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem. That includes the long-awaited Shibarium Layer 2 fix, Shiba Swap V2, Shiba Eternity, Shiba, the Metaverse, and everything else in between. His Discord conversation came to a close with these additional words. Getting and spending billions of dollars isn't easy, but we're working on it. With 65496 tweets, Shiba Eternity has become a trending subject under the business and finance category on Twitter. Following all these statements from the lead Shiba Inu developers team, the day came to an end with that. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.